Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Yakima Baseline JetStream roof rack system for the 2015 through 2021 Fiat 500X with a bare roof. This system comprises three components, starting with the baseline tower set of 4, the JetStream load bars set of 2, offered in silver or black, and 2 sets of 2 of the baseline pad and clip sets. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the JetStream load bars. Here we've cut this one down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. The overall shape is designed to minimize wind noise and wind drag. There is a track that runs along the top of the bar to accommodate certain accessories and carriers for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. On the underside of the bar is another track that holds the tower to the bar. Alongside that track are measurement numbers, which are referenced in the instruction sheet to guide you in the correct placement of the towers on the bar. Now, the tower themselves have 4 adjustments to get a very custom fit to the vehicle. So let's go ahead and look at those adjustments first by taking off this outer cover. Now, within the cover, we have a hatch, and we can open that hatch to expose the fastener that holds the tower to the bar. That fastener also allows for a pitch adjustment, which is the angle of the bar on the tower, and that helps to compensate for curved roof lines. We also have a fastener here, and let's go ahead and demonstrate that one. That is for the toe of the pad and clip set. So I'll go ahead and loosen that. So here you can see with it loose, you can move it into the 3 positions of toe, and that helps to get perfect alignment against the door frame. And when we tighten that, this tool that's included with the towers, it will click, and that indicates that it's reached full tightness. And so this tool is used on all the various fasteners. This exposed fastener, we will close the hatch, and now it's secure. Okay, on the inside of the tower, we have another adjustment, and that adjustment will bring the door frame clip against the door frame. And underneath this hatch, we have another fastener there, and that one will bring the clip inward against the door frame, up and in. Okay, so now we can go ahead and put the cover back into place. And with that into place, you'll see here we have a plastic plug, and that plastic plug can be replaced with a Yakima SKS lock core. SKS stands for Same Key System, so you can purchase these in matched sets so that all 4 of your towers can be key matched, and that can be extended out to even accessories and other carriers that are part of the SKS system, and you can have all those items all key matched for convenience. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Yakima Baseline JetStream roof rack system. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. And if you have any questions or comments about this particular system, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.